For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling with mediocre circular saws that leave you frustrated and wondering if it's all worth it? Maybe you're a contractor looking for a reliable tool to get the job done efficiently. Or perhaps you're a DIY enthusiast seeking to upgrade your existing power tools. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Ridgid R3205 7-to-1/4-inch circular. Its unparalleled performance and durability that left me questioning everything I thought I knew about circular saws. There's one thing you need to know before we dive into this review. The Ridgid R3205 isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. But what does that mean exactly? Is it worth breaking the bank for something so expensive? We'll explore the features of this beast of a saw and find out if it lives up to its price tag. The first thing I noticed when taking the Ridgid R3205 out of its packaging was the weight. 8.9 pounds is quite heavy, but don't let that fool you. It's well balanced and feels sturdy in your hands. The magnesium oxide body provides excellent durability while keeping the tool lightweight for extended use. But what really caught my attention was the inclusion of a dust blower, which makes a world of difference when working with wood or other materials. No more getting clogged up with sawdust. It's a small feature that can make a huge impact on your productivity. Now you might be thinking, is this worth the extra money? Let me tell you, after using it for a while, I can confidently say it is. But let's get into some numbers and see what sets this saw apart from its competitors. The Ridgid R3205 boasts an impressive 15-amp motor, delivering 5,200 RPM of power. That's not all. The saw also features a 20V battery platform, making it compatible with other tools in the Ridgid lineup. The 7-to-1/4-inch blade is another standout feature, providing clean and accurate cuts every time. But what really impressed me was the laser guide system that helps you achieve precise results without any guesswork. So why should you care about this saw? If you're a professional contractor looking for reliability and performance, or a DIY enthusiast seeking to upgrade your existing power tools, then this is worth considering. But let's not forget the price. It's certainly on the higher side. Is it justifiable? Let's dive deeper into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. One of the most significant advantages of the Ridgid R3205 is its compatibility with other power tools in the same platform. This means you can use the same battery across multiple devices, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Now that we've explored some of its key features, let's get to the meat of its performance. The 15-amp motor delivers an impressive amount of power, making quick work of even the toughest materials. But what about durability? I put this saw through a series of rigorous tests and was impressed by its performance. The magnesium oxide body provides excellent protection against wear and tear, ensuring your investment lasts for years to come. But here's where things get interesting. Some might say it's too expensive. While that may be true, let me ask you, are you looking at the long-term benefits or just the upfront cost? With this saw, you're getting a premium product designed to last. Now I know what you're thinking. Is all of this worth it? Let me tell you, after using the Ridgid R3205 for a while, I can confidently say that yes, it's worth every penny. One thing I want to emphasize is that while it may seem pricey at first glance, its compatibility with other tools and unparalleled performance make up for the initial investment. Think about it this way: you're not just buying a saw, you're investing in your long-term productivity and efficiency. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description below to check out current prices on Amazon and see what all the fuss is about. We've reached the end of our review, but I want to leave you with one final thought. If you're serious about your power tools, then this saw deserves a place in your arsenal.